In this video I'm going to show you how to get a notification every time when your iPhone is fully charged. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up Shortcuts app, and now there at the bottom hit Add Automation. Then tap at Create Personal Automation, and there scroll down until you find battery level. There you can set battery level, you can set it at any level from 0 up to 100. I will set it equals to 100 and then tap at Next. Now here I can tap at Add Action and tap at Search for Apps and Actions. There type in Speak and select Speak Text. Then tap at Text just beside the Speak, and here you can enter some text like your phone is charged, and then hit on Next. There, where it says Ask before running, hit on that switcher to toggle this option off, and then hit at Don't Ask, and then hit on Done. So now Siri will notify you every time your phone is fully charged. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.